Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to repost Instagram stories. So if you want to repost anyone's story on Instagram, so just open your Instagram app and here just open the story you want to repost. Just tap on it and here just tap on share, tap on it and here just tap on copy link and now go back, open your browser and here just search for a website named Save Insta. Just search for it, open the first website and here you have to paste your copied link and then tap on download. And after that the video will be downloaded. Just tap on download video and now just open Instagram again. Then tap on add your story and now select the video you have downloaded. As I have downloaded this one, so just tap on it and then tap on done. And now you have successfully shared anyone's story as your story on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.